Trying to tear this apart. Got some bulbs. So,
let's see what you can do, Sonic. Here you go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
okay. So I was checking my new gas gauge and stuff in today, so we gotta take that off and put a new bulb in it. Perfect. So now we gotta flip this, undo these screws. Right here. I already tested this, and it's all open circuit. So.
Hey, at least I'm not saying it's enough before everything. Hey, Mario,
Whoops.
Into the 1, into the 2, into the 3. Hey, Mario, into the dog.
That's the naked hedgehog who can't swim.
I can teach you how to swim.
Don't feel bad. I can't swim either.
But you live underwater.
Yeah, but we can still drown. What are you talking about, Patrick? You can't drown because you're...
Next, coolant gauge.
What are all you guys up to?
Because somebody broke one.
Chitty Town guys! Oh, okay guys, don't forget to click on this icon or comment down below on who you guys think won the battle. Thank you for watching Cartoon Beatbox Battle. I'm going away, and I'll battle you later.
Back, so. What? Oh, that's why. Shoot. Huh. Well, I guess the fuel gauge dropped, so. Looks like I was stripping it right there. Oh well, seems I'm replacing it anyway, so. Here's the old. So. Yep, so that's it. Oh, I guess. Might as well replace this, put the bulb in, so that's it. Now, before the new gas gauge comes in and being installing it by showing, let's get these, and it's like, okay, so let's go for temp gauge. Boom. Boom. So 100 and about almost 175 ohms for the temp. And this is the fuel gauge. I'm going to show that that's an open circuit. Open circuit. Let me raise it up to F. Okay. So this tells me that the fuel gauge is bad. So just to prove, actually, so that's ignition positive. So 99.2. readings are roughly about the same. I guess before I do that, before I install the new one, I'm going to do another ohm reading. So let's go ahead and go back to temp gauge. Where it's an open circuit. But doing this makes it read. So again, let's go back to ignition positive for the fuel gauge. Open circuit. While switching it to S/U makes it have a reading. So I don't get how some of this works, but again, that's an open circuit for fuel. Go to temp gauge, which I know works, but the piece for it broke. 175.5 ohms. So yeah, I just want to show this real quick. Got the new fuel gauge in. Only difference being this one came out of an automatic, but it'll still work. I'm not going to show me putting it back together, so I'll be back after I put everything back together. You can show guys in my car. Alright guys, so got it hooked up. So yeah, so the new gas gauge gave me the same reading, so I'm leaning more towards that's fuel sending unit, because it's dropping down to E. Yeah, it's dropping down to E, but fuel gauge should work, so guess I'm gonna have to figure something else out. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure something else out, because I think it's just a fuel sending unit. That's a bad fuel sending unit. So I think next month I'm gonna be replacing the whole entire fuel gauge. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.